how much of your email list is actually active? 50%, 70%, or way less than you think? What if your email tool could clean your list by itself, remove inactive contacts, and protect your sender reputation automatically without a third-party service? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to keep your list clean both manually and automatically in FluentCRM, so you get better deliverability and higher results. If that sounds like something you need, keep watching and hit subscribe now because you won't want to miss these time-saving marketing hacks from WPManageNinja. Alright, here's my FluentCRM dashboard. And if I jump into the Contacts tab, you'll see we've got thousands of contacts here. Now, finding inactive or dead contacts is like looking for a black cat in a dark room, so let's be smart about it. Simply enable the advanced filter, then click Add, and you'll see multiple handy filtering options appear. So, the decision is yours on how you want to filter your clients. For now, let's tap on Contact Activities. Instantly, another layer of filtering conditions will show up. Go with the last email clicked, and then opt for Never Clicked. You can stack multiple conditions if you want, but let's keep it simple for now. Hit Filter, and FluentCRM instantly pulls up every single contact who has never opened or clicked any of your emails. Now, if you tick the box and move to the Select action, you can effortlessly opt for Delete Contacts and complete the process in seconds. Your email list is now lean, clean, and free from dead weight all on your own. But don't move yet. Get ready for a more exciting part, automating the contact cleaning. Let's move to the Automations panel and create a new automation from scratch. FluentCRM comes with a set of powerful triggers. Since I've stored my contacts under different lists, I'll go with the List Applied trigger. But you can go with any other automation trigger you want. Give your automation a name, and select the list you want this automation to work on. This ensures that every time a new contact is added, the automation kicks off automatically. Now, let's add a waiting period. I'll wait 120 days. This gives FluentCRM time to analyze the contact's behavior and determine whether they're active or inactive. Now comes the interesting part. We're going to add a condition to check whether this lead has opened any of your emails during that time. So let's drop in a conditional action and set it up. For the condition, I'll choose Contact Activities, then Email Clicked, and set it to Never, meaning they haven't clicked anything. You can definitely add more rules if your workflow calls for it, but honestly, this one condition works great for spotting cold leads. Save it, and you'll now see the classic yes or no split. If the subscriber has clicked any email within that time period, they're active. So for the yes branch, we'll simply end the funnel. Easy! Now, for the no path, these are our inactive subscribers. If you want to take a final shot at re-engaging them, you absolutely can. Let's say you want to re-engage them with another email sequence. You can do that too. After that, add another wait period, like 10 more days. Then, just like before, add another conditional check to see whether they've opened anything from this follow-up sequence. If they open any of these emails, great. End the funnel. But if they still ignore your emails, this is where the cleanup happens. You could delete them permanently using the Remove from List action block. That's totally up to you. But for now, I'll tag them as inactive contact. Simply add an action block, apply the tag, and you're done. Alright, the automation is ready. Just switch it to live, and FluentCRM will handle everything from here. But you can customize the workflow, add more conditions, extend the re-engagement flow, or tailor everything to match your requirements. And now, you've got a cleaner, healthier list, better deliverability, and email campaigns that actually reach the right people. Thanks to FluentCRM, the whole process becomes seamless, simple, and completely hands-free. If you're ready to ditch expensive third-party cleaning tools and finally automate your list hygiene, FluentCRM is a smarter way forward. Go grab FluentCRM and stop sending emails to dead leads forever.